Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. The mice walked on the wheel. The electricity went to their own fan, and the cat's fan stopped completely. The cat woke up, sweating and angry, but he could no longer exploit them because the mice were now alert. The mice family now had a comfortable, cool home and felt like heaven, and they only exercised when they wanted to, keeping themselves healthy and safe. Nishu watched this entire event unfold. A deep realization hit his mind. He thought to himself, he realized that the innocent mice were being exploited because they did not have education. The educated mouse changed the life of his whole community just because he had knowledge. Wow, Nishu whispered. Studies can completely change your life. It changes how you look at the world. If I don't study, I will also be like those innocent mice, working hard for someone else's benefits without even knowing it. From that very moment, Nishu's perception changed. He opted his school books, sat down at his desk, and started studying very sincerely. He completed his school with great marks and went away to a big college to study modern science and agriculture. Years passed and Nishu returned to his small town after completing his college degree. When he reached home, he saw that his family's financial condition was very weak. His father looked very old, tired, and sad. Nishu sat with his father and asked, Papa, you worked so hard every day. Why are you still so poor? His father sighed and said, Son, I do not own any big land. I work day and night in others' rich landlord's farm. I sweat in the sun, but at the end of the day, they give me very little money. The rich landlords get richer, and I stay poor. Suddenly, the childhood story of cat and the mice flashed in Nishu's mind. He realized his father was running on the cat's treadmill. All his father's hard work was benefiting someone else. Nishu stood up confidently and said, Papa, no more. From now on, we will use our energy to do something for ourselves. We will not let anyone exploit your hard work. Nishu used his college education to transform their lives. They had a very old but very big house and a very small piece of ancestral land. Nishu made a small plan. Instead of growing ordinary crops on his small piece of land, Nishu shifted to horticulture. They planted high quality mixed fruits and special plants because fruits sell for a much higher price in the city market. Their small land started generating a lot of profit. Nishu looked at the big empty roof of their old house. He applied for a government scheme and got a solar panel system installed on the roof with a government subsidy. The solar panels started producing a huge amount of free electricity. Their own home became bright and comfortable with free power, and extra electricity was sold back to the government grid, bringing a steady flow of extra money into the house every month. Within a year, the financial condition of Nishu's family completely changed. Their home became beautiful, amazing, and comfortable. They were no longer poor, and his father didn't have to break his back working on others people's farm anymore. Nishu's parents looked at their son with tears of joy in their eyes. They realized that because of they lacked education, they had spent their entire lives working blindly for the benefit of others. Education gave Nishu a broader perspective. It helped him understand the complete structure of life and helped him take wiser decisions. Though knowledge, through knowledge, Nishu was able to save his family from exploitation and make their lives truly beautiful. And this is all about our stories. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's story. What we learned, the message was hidden in story only. That is the importance of education. This education is very, very important. So maybe like Nishu, you also would not be liking the studies, and many times you would be getting disappointed with lots of homeworks and assignments and on. But no, now onwards, start enjoying it because it is going to give you strength to change your life and others also of the society. Okay, so this is something important weapon, very powerful weapon education is. Okay, so this is all about our today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.